So a lot of times, sometimes when you're using the chain rule, you find that you have to use it over and over and over, and it gets kind of complicated. So what I did was I took a problem that looks pretty complicated and going to see if I can break it down. The first thing I'm going to do, which is a great skill in calculus, is to do my rewrite. So my rewrite will look like this. I'm just rewriting f of x. So I'm going to write it as f of x is equal to, and this is what I'm doing now. That's not what I wanted. Is equal to, I'm not going to keep doing this, 2 plus x to the 1/2 power to the 1/2 power all to the 1/2 power. And I'm hoping that you can follow this a little bit. So this, right here, this is the orange one right here. This orange one right here, this radical right here, is this radical right here. And the little blue one here is this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start taking my f of x here. So I'm going to say f prime of x. So f prime at x is equal to, I'm going to bring this forward. I'm just going to use the power rule here. 1/2 times 2 plus x to the 1/2 to the 1/2. I'm going to decrement by 1, so this is minus 2 over 2, which is to the negative 1/2, right? Now what I have to do is I have to multiply by the derivatives of the inside. So the first one is this one right here. So I'm going to start working on this one right here, which is times negative 1/2 times 2 plus x to the 1/2 to the negative 1/2. Now I'm going to start working on the other inside piece, which is just this one right here, isn't it? Which is just this one right here. So I'm going to work on this one next. Let me see if I can slide this over. Which is this one right here. Let me put it in orange so you can see where I'm going. Now I'm going to take the derivative of this side, of this part of the inside, which is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. Well, so we can put all this stuff together. All of this gets put under the denominator, doesn't it? And we end up with, man, it turns out to be a mess, doesn't it? Oh, and this wasn't negative 1/2. This is just 1/2, right? So it turns out to be 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, right? Square root x square root 2 plus, holy macaroni, 2 plus square root x times 2 plus square root x. That's a lot of stuff. Even if you didn't get to this very bottom part, I don't know if I cleaned that up perfectly or not. I know I'm right to here. What I do want to show you is that when you're using the chain rule over and over, you just keep taking you have to take the g prime at x's out of there, right? You have to find those little derivatives from the inside and make sure you're using the chain rule over and over and over again. So look, I hope this video was helpful. This is a very complicated idea, especially because of its meticulous nature. So hopefully this was helpful. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Your comments are great. Thank you.